Costa Rica, baby. A lot of other things are probably. Now this is the last waterfall, and it's crazy, stunning. Okay, we have just made it to La Fortuna, Arenal area. We had a bit of an issue getting here because we still haven't gotten a SIM card, so therefore we don't have data, and therefore our map stopped working. So in Costa Rica, just be careful what roads you go down, because sometimes you might not be going down the right road, and you have to back out of it. Well, we also don't have data, so now we're fully lost. Went down the wrong road. That's okay, we made it. And our place is lovely. So we had to wait a little bit to get in because they were building this bathroom for us, and we were not expecting this. So we were the first ones to use this bathroom. So nice. And then our little chalet. See, it was just closed off. And our room. Little A-frame. Have some AC. It's perfect. Originally we were supposed to share a bathroom with other people that are staying here, but this is a nice upgrade. Now we're gonna go see the town of Fortuna. It's about 13 minutes from here, drive, so not too bad. So we got caught in a rainstorm and we decided to run in to the nearest place. La Vida Steakhouse and Pizza. Pretty expensive, so we're just getting drinks. We also have a dog friend with us. 2-for-1 cocktails and some ceviche. And it's still raining. Alright, so our power is out on our chalet. I don't think that's supposed to happen. But we have a night frog tour that our place does for free in about 10 minutes. So we're gonna go do that even though it's pouring down rain, and try to get our power back on because it is hot in here.
Mama's not happy.
So let's see what happens.
Mama's not happy.
Dramatic. It's a tree frog.
Frog is a toad.
A toad. A toad.
Is toxic.
It's a toad. Oh, another one right there too. Wow, there are lots of them. What is this one?
Red eye is tree frog.
Tree frog, wow. A lot of other things are probably out here. He's climbing. Mom, come here. Oh, that's so cool. You got him? Yeah.
Nose frog.
Nose?
Where?
Oh.
Yes.
You get him? Yeah. Oh, there's two right here. Coon.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, that's like a
This is beautiful small.
dangerous. Does it bite?
Because this Dream. Oh.
No.
Okay, we're going to call it a night tonight, and tomorrow we're headed off to Blue Falls. The frog tour was so good. We saw lots of different frogs, tree frogs, rain frogs, toads. It was pretty cool. So we'll see you tomorrow at Blue Falls. Okay, so we drove about an hour and a half from Fortuna to the Blue Falls. You go past the Blue Falls entrance to the Catarata del Toro waterfall, buy your ticket there, and then go back to Blue Falls. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna go see the other waterfall that we're looking at right now. And the weather's still looking okay.
Keep our fingers crossed.
Hopefully. Alright, away we go. Got my walking stick. Ready?
Yes.
Little wobbly. Really wobbly, actually. So far, it's a really groomed trail. Super easy and beautiful. We just came across the guide where we had two directions we could take. This one has the furthest one at 15 minutes to get there, then the other ones are just 5 minutes. So we're gonna do the harder one first, and then there's a whole nother side that we'll do the other one. So let's go check it out. So those are the two that are 5 minutes away. This one's 15. So we're going to the Tepezecuetl. Probably not how you say it. Stairs going down, but still not too bad. I think going up might be an issue, but that's okay. I believe we have made it. Switcheroo with the shoes. Here we go. How was the crossing?
Not bad, thank goodness there was someone to help me cross. That was a big cross, bigger than I thought.
Okay, so the hike has gotten a little more difficult with the water crossing and then some slippery rocks. Hello. So blue. Okay, now careful, it's slippery. Do it without falling? Oh! Maybe not. pouring down rain now. And so that only means the rocks are gonna get more slippery, but this is Costa Rica, baby. Alright. Check. Now onto these two. It's starting to light up a little bit with the rain. Not too bad. Waterfall 2 was done. That one was absolutely incredible. Like, that might be my favorite one, but I think we have one more, or it's the swimming hole. We'll see. Okay, so I believe this is the swimming spot, and no one is here. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Okay, get in. To our fourth waterfall, and wow, we just did a lot of stairs down, so I just know the way up is not going to be fun, but it sounds powerful, so I think it's going to be worth it. Crossing fingers. Okay, so the rain is back. We have 2 more waterfalls that we're going to skip out on, and we're going to head back to the car. We've had enough exercise and waterfalls to last us a while, so let's go to the car. It feels so good to see our car. It rained the whole time and it was not under the canopy of trees. But we made it. Just absolutely dumping. Holy shit. way down. Sure. Okay, I lied. Now this is the last waterfall. And it's crazy. Stunning. Made it back from the Blue Falls adventure. It was a very rainy oh my gosh, I can't talk. It was a very rainy drive back, but we made it. We rested a bit, and now we're gonna go back into town to get some dinner. But yeah, Blue Falls was a great tour. Highly recommend. Super well guided, and there was like no one there, or there was a good amount of people, but you would pass them by, and by the time we got to the falls, it was like you were the only one there. So highly recommend. I'll give more info at the end of the video, but let's go get some dinner. Strawberry milkshake. Yum. And then a burrito. Another burrito. Goes with everything, I guess. Yummy. Another day, another hike. We're doing the Arenal mountain lava rock hike. So let's go buy a ticket. I think it's $10 and get hiking. Okay, so about $10 per person. You just park and then you're automatically on the trail.
And you get this lovely map.
Yep, you get a map. He told us what he recommended we do, which is a longer one, but kind of figured we'd do that. So away we go. Not even 5 minutes in, and it's starting to rain, so that's all right. We're in Costa Rica. Just put a rain jacket on and keep going. Ran into some leaf cutter ants. They work so hard. They're climbing up such a big hill. Definitely wear bug spray because the bugs are not playing. They're everywhere. We're hearing a lot of animals, but we're not seeing a lot of animals. And then brought out the binoculars. But the thing is, the mosquitoes are swarming our faces, and so it's hard to want to stop for a while to look. I'm not giving up.
Hi. Hola.
Okay, we have spotted a monkey. Heck yeah.
there he is. Look, he's
I know.
coming to see it.
Well, we made it to the volcano, and look at it's clear. Wow. You can tell that we're getting close to the volcano rocks. Lava rocks. It's warm. We've been hiking for exactly 2 hours, but we did have a bit of an issue. We went the wrong way, so we had to turn around, go all the way back, so that took a good chunk of time. So, to the lava rocks, which makes the scenery so cool. Wow. So this is all lava rock. So beautiful. Just rock, but it's not flat. And more stairs. Lava rock. It's just everywhere. Pretty cool. Okay. Hike is done. It took us, well, let's see, it's 11:37. Okay, about 3 hours. And that was with us going the wrong way and going back, so not too bad. Hot one, so now we're going to go eat, freshen up a bit, and possibly go to the hot springs after that. We shall see. It's time to relax and go to the hot springs. We are at Los Lagos Resort and Spa. Day pass was $25 per person. So compared to other ones, not too bad. Jets on this one. Found the light switch for our light. To be fair, what the heck? So,
Behind the curtain.
problem solved. We are back from Los Lagos. It was very, very nice, relaxing, and honestly, their drinks and food was super cheap. We weren't hungry at the time, so we just got chips and dip and then a couple drinks. And then we got a pizza from there, and we're just gonna eat it in our room.
Now that we've liked.
Very long day today. Ready to unwind, read my book, eat some pizza, and go to bed. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we make the shift to Monteverde, but I think we're gonna do the hanging bridges first. So, stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye.